Also new today at 5 o'clock, about 1,000 more COVID-19 test kits and 11 new testing sites are now available in Austin. Even so, KXAN's Jacqueline Powell explains there's still a selective process for who will get tested where.
Austin Public Health isn't releasing where its 11 new testing sites are.
Because if we had members driving up like a drive-through, then it would quickly overwhelm those sites and we would have difficulty getting to those people who really need the testing.
A viewer tipped us off, letting us know this one had set up in his neighborhood. We're honoring the city's request to not reveal its location. As of Wednesday morning, no one seemed to be coming through for testing yet. Austin Public Health says only people who've already been screened, then referred to a particular site, can use the new testing locations. Meanwhile, at other testing sites that have been up and running a couple of days, you might see something that looks more like this, a line of cars with people waiting for drive-through testing. This is at the Baylor Scott and White Medical Center in Round Rock. And people who are in line here do also have to be referred for COVID-19 testing. For instance, I spoke to one mother who was told to bring her 2 small children here after they tested negative for strep throat. Back in Austin, health officials say test results can come back as quickly as in 24 hours, but usually take a couple of days. Even with the area's new increased testing capacity, health officials say there still aren't enough tests, so priority will still be given to the elderly, people with other medical conditions, and healthcare workers.
We know there's a lot of anxiety in the community, a lot of people who are reaching out to their physicians and wanting to be tested. Unfortunately, this is a disease that it mimics cold and flu symptoms, and we're in the middle of cold and flu season.
APH says of the more than 1,200 patients who met the requirements to be tested, only about 5% are positive for COVID-19. The rest showed other viruses. Jacqueline Powell, KXAN News.
Austin Public Health says its state-run lab is running some of the test samples taken at its new sites, and private labs will run some others. Today, the governor announced that by the end of this week, the state will have the capacity to run 15,000 to 20,000 tests per week.
Right now, there are 23 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Travis County. In Hays County, there are 5. Williamson County has 4 cases. Statewide, there have been 3 deaths. The first was reported in Matagorda County earlier this week. We found out about the second death yesterday. That's in Tarrant County. The third was reported in Collins County today. Overall, there are at least 138 cases in Texas. If you're experiencing symptoms and you don't have health insurance, there's a number you can call for some guidance. Central Health has created a COVID-19 hotline for people in Travis County. You can call 512-978-8775 to speak to a medical professional.